Hi there guys, and welcome back to another episode of Tom Voyage. In today's video I'm going to explain to you some of the essentials I would recommend for getting started with your Ooni pizza oven. Let's go. So summer is around the corner, you've just got your brand new pizza oven and you're looking for a little bit more information on where to start. Well, in this video I'm going to go through some of the essentials that I would recommend for getting started with your pizza oven. Now today I'll be cooking on the Ooni KARU 16 as you can see here, but the accessories we'll talk about in today's video apply to all of the Ooni pizza ovens. Now the first essential you need is a good quality fuel if you're cooking on a wood-fired pizza oven. So I tend to use this one. It's a premium lumpwood charcoal made from 100% birch, and this is available from Ooni. It comes from a sustainable source and there's some nice big chunks in there which provide a long hot burn. I also recommend getting yourself some nice quality kiln-dried wood. Now go for a hardwood, something like oak or birch, and stay away from anything that's been treated, or softwoods which are sappy like pine for example. Now to pick up some of this kiln-dried wood for yourself, I've left some links in the description at the bottom. It doesn't cost any more money, but it helps me out with a bit of commission and helps to support the channel. Now the next thing you need to consider is a decent table. Now the thing is with pizza ovens, if you put them on a standard table that you would eat at, usually they're too low, so it's worth investing in a good quality, sturdy table to hold your pizza oven. Now Ooni do a couple of examples, like the modular table that I've got here. This is the large one. They also do a folding version, which is my personal favourite for those of you who have got limited space or need to pack it away. You may have seen my other videos, I also use a KETA Unity XL table. I like this one because it's slightly smaller, it's got a stainless steel top and it's got a cupboard to store your essentials. Number 3 essential is pizza peels, and I say pizza peels because I mean 2 peels. Now I recommend 2 peels for a reason. When you retrieve a pizza out the oven, the peel can become hot, so it's nice to have a cool peel to help prevent sticking when launching the next pizza. I also like to use one of these wooden peels, sometimes for launching but also for serving the pizza on once it's cooked. So checking your stone temperature on a pizza oven is an essential way of knowing the oven is ready to cook. Now some of the ovens you'll see here have a thermometer inbuilt, but I still like to use one of these digital thermometers to get an accurate reading of the stone temperature. For cooking Neapolitan style pizza, you want the stone to be around 450 to 500 degrees centigrade. All you do is point the laser at the stone and it gives you a reading. We're currently at 417, so a little bit of a way to go. Now when you're cooking on a wood-fired pizza oven, you may get bits of ash or wood left over on the stone. The same as when you're using with a gas-fired oven, you may get some semolina or flour left on the stone from your pizza. Now this can burn and cause nasty black areas on the bottom of the pizza, which we really don't want, so I would recommend as an essential one of these brushes. Now I use my wire brush to clean the stone after every pizza to make a nice clean cooking surface for your next pizza. Now the next thing you'll need is a decent dough recipe. Now there's thousands of books that you can get which show you all kinds of recipes. I would recommend these two. They're what I used when I was learning to make pizza dough. You can also check out the Ooni website. They've got some great recipes on there, and even an app with a dough calculator which will help you make your own recipes. I have a beginner's dough recipe which I recommend for those new to pizza ovens, which I'll link above here. Now having a good dough recipe is essential to getting great tasting pizza, so I would recommend take your time, do your research and write it down in a book to make sure that you get your favourite recipe every single time. So once you've found your perfect dough recipe, the next thing you'll need is something to prove your dough in. So I use these ones, but I started out using a baking tray just wrapped in cling film. Now these proving boxes are ideal because they fit in the fridge and they prevent air getting to the dough, which will stop it from drying out. Now I like to use these type of dough trays myself because it's environmentally friendly and you're not wasting multiple bits of single-use plastic. So you've finished cooking your pizza, everybody's fed and happy, so the last thing that I would recommend as an essential is something to protect your oven, like one of these weatherproof covers. Now this is especially important if you plan on leaving your pizza oven outside, because those elements are going to get to it, and these covers provide a nice dry environment to keep your oven away from the weather conditions. These covers are durable, they'll prevent rain and snow and wind getting to your oven, and they come with a nice sturdy strap to help it from blowing off. Now, some of the covers for the smaller ovens will also include carry handles, making the pizza oven more portable and easier to store. So thanks very much for watching that video. I hope you liked it and I hope you found it useful. So now you should have everything you need to start cooking great pizza. If you did enjoy this video, please remember to give me a like and subscribe, and if you've got any questions or comments, you can leave them in the comment section below. I'll also leave links down there to purchase any of the items that I've mentioned in this video. And remember, it doesn't cost you any more money, but it helps me out with a bit of commission so I can carry on making videos like this for the future. Thanks very much, and we'll see you next time for more pizza making videos.